Mastering body language. Unlocking the power of nonverbal communication. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on effective communication skills for participants in debates and discussions. Today, we are going to explore a vital topic, which is often overlooked but can dramatically impact the effectiveness of your communication: body language. Body language, a form of nonverbal communication, is a powerful tool that can help you connect with others, express what you truly mean, and build better relationships. In the context of debates and discussions, body language can enhance your arguments and add strength to your words. However, it is crucial to use body language appropriately, or it could easily miscommunicate your intentions. When we talk about body language, we often think about the way we stand or sit, but it goes far beyond that. Let's understand the common elements. 1. Posture. Whether you are standing or sitting during a discussion, your posture can express your confidence and openness to the conversation. 2. Facial expressions. The human face is extremely expressive, capable of communicating countless emotions without saying a word. 3. Eye contact. Proper eye contact can signify that you're actively engaged and interested in the conversation. 4. Gestures. This includes the ways in which we use our hands and arms to communicate. Be careful, as gestures can vary in meaning across different cultures. Now that we've understood the elements of body language, let's discuss how you can use them effectively in a debate or discussion. 1. Open posture. Maintain an open posture to show that you are open to others' opinions. Avoid crossing your arms or legs, as this can be seen as defensive. 2. Positive facial expressions. Keep your facial expressions positive and engaged. A friendly smile can go a long way in easing tension during a heated debate. 3. Maintain eye contact. Try to maintain an appropriate level of eye contact. This communicates that you are interested and engaged, but be careful not to stare, as it can be uncomfortable for the other person. 4. Appropriate gestures. Use hand gestures to emphasize your points, but avoid overdoing it, as it can be distracting. Remember to respect cultural differences when using gestures. And there you have it. Remember, mastering body language takes time and practice. Start observing your own body language and that of others around you to become more aware of this silent form of communication. We hope you find these tips useful and apply them in your future debates and discussions. Until next time, keep practicing and improving your communication skills.